Welcome to Kids Learning Zone. Let's sing the ABC song together.
A is for apple, so crunchy and bright. B is for ball, bouncing with all its might. C is for cat, curled up tight. D is for dog, wagging its tail with delight. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming in the bay. G is for goat, climbing every day. H is for hat, worn in a happy way. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for juice, refreshing to hold. K is for kite, flying high and free. L is for lion, roaring with glee. M is for monkey, swinging from trees. N is for nose, sniffing out the breeze. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin, waddling with delight. Q is for queen, with a crown so grand. R is for rainbow colors in the land. S is for sun, shining bright and bold. T is for tiger, stripes of gold. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for van, driving by. W is for watch, telling time with ease. X is for xylophone, music to please. Y is for yacht, sailing on the sea. Z is for zebra, black and white